Alright, good morning folks. I'm here at Pedernales Falls here in, I guess, Johnson City or Cypress Hill, whatever they want to call it. Anyway, I'm going to line this shot up. I actually walked down to this shot here last night. Well, not last night, but more about, I don't know, 5 o'clock or so. And the sun was actually behind me. It had kind of that golden glow. So I think that's going to be my preferred picture. But I'm actually going to go ahead and get this shot. I just want to see what it looks like. I have a CPL filter on the front and a ND8 circular filter, and just try to slow down the shutter speed, maybe slow down the water a little bit. It's still kind of a fast shot. I may have to mess with it a little bit more, but I'm going to go ahead and get this first one in the bag. Get my focus on. I'm at f11 at 1/25th of a second. Oops, and I need to put on my 2-second timer. What I want to do is make sure the shot is as sharp as possible. So I'm going to put on a 2-second timer. So after, so what that'll do, that'll allow me to push the shutter, kind of back away. It'll be 2 seconds. I'm focused on the tree. And it's doing the 2-second, and it took a shot. And it looks pretty good. I think. All right, I've set up one more for this morning. The same, little bit different composition. A little bit off to the side where you get more of the kind of the water going down, the tree still in the background. I'm focused on there. So what I'm going to do is try to get this shot here. And I dropped my ISO to 100 f11, and it's at 0.6 seconds. 2-second timer. And that water looks silky. You'll see it in the video. Anyway, later. See another view of that tree. Let me see if I can get a reflection. Looks like they have some fish jumping out here. And let's see what I can get. Ooh, I gotta change my settings. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because there is a reflection of that tree. My glasses are fogging up. Go on. It may be something. I just like little pools here. Ooh, there's the sun in that. Let's see how that looks. Well, let me go. I'm going to try some. I'm going to see if I can get a starburst off of a reflection. So let's drive this up to f16. And then I got to, let's see where you can see the sun. I don't know if it'll work, but we're going to try it. I don't think so. Because there it is. Let me drive it this way a little bit. And we'll have to see when I get on the computer. I don't think it worked. I don't know if you guys can see the reflections from the rocks over there in the water and the trees. So I'm going to see if I can do anything with that. And I'm going to have to fix. I'm going to go back to, probably going to go to f8. I'm going to try to get holding it, doing handheld. Let's see, I think a horizontal would be best. I'm kind of focused on those spots. Let me see if this is gonna work. I'm not saying it is, so don't hold me to no mess. And of course I won't be able to see until I get it on the computer, but it looks good here, trust me. All right, so I'm gonna grab another shot of that tree. It just looks cool. That's why I'm kind of focused in on it. I'm gonna take two things, kind of zoom in. It's over the rock a little bit. So I'm gonna actually go, I think I'm gonna go landscape because it looks like I'll be able to get a little bit of reflections of the water and the pool in front of me. But let me back out a little bit and make it, I'm trying to knock out the sky some. And I got it. Don't know how it looks, but we'll see later. Now, over here, again, I like reflections. I just off water. I don't know if you can see it with my GoPro, maybe, hopefully. But I'm gonna get that because I like it. If you don't like it, whatever. It's all about me. All right, we'll see how that looks. There you go. Awesome. Look at all that. I need to go around this way. All right, so we're gonna have to do some rock climbing. I'm going down here. We'll go down here. And here. All right. Oh, there was like a turtle or something. I like turtles. All right. Reflection. I don't know if you can see it in there. There's like a little cave hole. Or cave, I guess. I don't know why I call it cave hole. Anyway. Forgive me. I'm excited. All right. I'm going to do this in a vertical. Maybe. It may turn out pretty cool. Let's see. All right. Back up. Here we go. Then I'll jump back down, but I'm gonna got an idea. Oh, these are nature stairs. All right. So I totally dig that tree. Let's see how that tree. I hope you can see that tree way off in the distance. It's one I was taking pictures a minute ago, but it's way over there. And unfortunately, I'm kind of looking at the sun, so I don't know if it's going to mess with me any. But we'll see how it looks. I'm just going to kind of, heck, I can't even see it like that. There you go. It might turn out to be something. I'm going to see. We'll see when we get it in processing. It's my father-in-law way over there.